Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, so you can see here, daily chart, we're just kind of range bound. We had the Monday fireworks with the vaccine news and calling the election over the weekend and all that, and they hit that third standard deviation upper band, and they brought it right back down into this range that we have been in ever since. You can really see it on the hourly chart. So, happy fun time, hangover, flat for three sessions going on 4. So 35.10, 35.12 is your support area. The bulls have big trouble when they get up into 35.70. Anything with a 7 on it is a big problem there. So if you take away Monday, the high of the week is 76.75. Globex has done as high as 69. They came back down yesterday into the close and did 13. We did 06 earlier in the week. They did a little bit of a higher low last night at 18. It's consolidating. It's been consolidating in a wide enough range where we can get a lot done. But what's been happening to us is we've been getting our first 2/3. So we get a 6 and then we get a 10, and then either we do one of a couple of things. You can punch out of that runner and it feels terrible. You feel like you're going to leave a bunch of handles on the table when you do it, and then all it does is retrace all the way back to your entry. So we've actually been, we've been letting more runners retrace than not. And I mean, that's on me, but at the same time, the day is made, the week is made. And if this thing is going to, from a consolidation like this, it's either going to break out or break down in a fairly substantial way. So we've been kind of trying to catch a big runner into the end of the week, and that hasn't really worked out. So we were long into this move that just bumped its head right into the hourly mid-band. Couldn't do any more than that. We were short yesterday into the down move, and it just doesn't want to expand that range at all, which is fine. So Friday, the most important number on the board is going to continue to be that hourly mid-band, which is sitting at 35.40. If that holds a support, then it can try to take out that 76 to the upside, work its way back up towards 3,600. On the downside, if they can convert 40 and get back into the teens, potentially you have a move to the other roundy down there. So like I said, there's plenty of elbow room to get done what you need to get done in a day, which is nice from a trading perspective. The trap you can fall into on a day like today is thinking that the move is capable of much more than it really is. At least that was the deal yesterday. So you've got, as I mentioned, hourly mid-band 35.40. You've got the 5-minute mid 58. Our proprietary moving average is 60.5. Volume weighted average price is way down at 35.45. So that's a little bit closer to the daily pivot and the hourly mid-band. So it's another morning where you just kind of go into it, see how it wants to open up. Yesterday's open was as whippy as I figured it would be, and then it kind of made a decision, then it made a different decision, and it just was kind of back and forth. So if they do bring this in a little bit more and we end up opening it anywhere in and around that hourly mid and VWAP and everything, I think you need to be real careful off the open. I don't think it's a blind buy. I think you can buy higher lows, but I think you got to be real careful. You don't want to get caught on the wrong side of something on a Friday. All right, that's all I got. Everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic weekend. Be safe, be healthy, take care, trade them well, and I'll talk to you on Monday. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.